G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is January 10, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. As you can see here on the daily chart, it has broken down from our last update and it's trending below the moving average of the CCI 1500. The Stochastic 100-200 has come down from the overbought territory and starting to decline. So further downside pressure it looks like in the medium to long term. On the 4-hour chart, it's broken down again. And is still in a downtrend on the CCI 1500, although the Stochastic has reached the oversold territory and potentially going to be pulling back to the upside. Although you see there on our last update it did peak at that point there and it declined after that and bounced off that lower trend line we drew previously. So I've drawn two trend lines here, one in this channel and one up the top there. On the hourly chart it's still in a uptrend on the CCI, although it's broken through that and potentially may continue on a downside, or it may continue and bounce up from that point there. I just want to draw a couple of retracements and see what's happened since. So first of all, let me draw this Fibonacci retracement from that point there to that high. You can see there on the 4-hour chart, it's bounced just above the 50% retracement from that longer time frame since December 2020. So there may be a bit of a bounce from there, but we want to see that change and move to the upside on the 4-hour chart before we get too confident with any more long positions. Otherwise, yeah, it's still in a decline. If it continues along this bottom trend line, we'll still keep our shorts on, as they say. Otherwise, if it does bounce from there, we'll see it probably advancing closer to the upper trend line, to the upside there. But again, it's a bit too early to say. We always work on probabilities. There's no guarantees in trading. So again, to understand how to properly trade the average down process, refer to the playlist at the end of the video and follow some of the trading strategies to better understand how to do the average down, whether you go long or short. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing and speak to you in the next video.